Every year, Sunwater incurs costs to operate, maintain and renew our assets. We do this to make sure our dams and other infrastructure can safely and reliably deliver water to our customers. Operations and maintenance costs don't change a lot from year to year. They're passed through to customers' bills in the year they're incurred. But renewal costs can and do change a lot from year to year. Renewals, or restoring the function or reliability of an asset, can be costly. If we passed these costs through to the customers in the same year we did the work, customer bills would go up and down dramatically from year to year. We make sure this doesn't happen by using an annuity approach to smooth out prices. There is another method that smooths out prices, the regulated asset base, or RAB method. The Queensland Government is currently considering a RAB method for renewals recovery. Here's how the annuity method works. We start by estimating what renewals work might need to be done over the next 30 years and how much that might cost. We then take the total amount and calculate the annuity, how much customers need to pay for each year, over that 30-year period. This is called the annuity contribution building block. Calculating an annuity needs very accurate forecasts, but sometimes money must be invested in work we haven't planned for and can't delay, like fixing mechanical spillway gates, repairing flood damage, or dealing with an unexpected failure. Over time, industry regulations and technology also change. The cost of renewing a pump station now may be nothing compared to what it will cost in 30 years' time. When work is unexpected or costs are higher than forecast, the funds haven't been collected ahead of time, so customers can end up with large negative annuity balances. This means the annuity contribution starts to work more like a RAB, where Sunwater incurs the cost and then customers pay it back. This happened in the McIntyre Brook Water Supply Scheme in 2022, when the cost of the Coolmunda Dam Variable Counterweight project hit the scheme's annuity balance. Unexpected but essential work, including this major project, increased the scheme's negative annuity balance from just over $3 million at the beginning of 2022 to more than $18 million by the end of 2024. Although it hadn't been accounted for in the original forecast, the cost still needs to be recovered. Under the annuity method, the cost is recovered over only 30 years, even though the variable counterweights are likely to last 50 years. If a RAB were in place, customers would pay back the cost over the life of the asset, in this case, 50 years. Spreading the cost over this longer period reduces the amount repaid each year through customer bills.